Everyone ready to go?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Friday Harbor traffic, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot departing 16 eastbound, Friday Harbor. Power set, fuel flow is good, airspeed is alive. Whew.
Double traffic, Cessna 7 South 1 Mike Echo, 45 for 34.
Trap Fever 680, we're just having Friday Harbor water, we're going to be taking off eastbound on a local tour.
Double traffic, Cessna 7 South 1 Mike Echo, entering base for 34.
Traffic. 10 more caravan departing to the south on the right downwind.
Double traffic, Cessna 751 Mike Echo, entering final for 34. Double traffic.
That's a traffic, 11 o'clock low.
Okay.
I think he's dropping down to the lake or...
Yeah, could be.
No factor. He's going down.
Yeah. I see him now, thank you. Friday Harbor, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, just off of 16, turning crosswind eastbound. We have traffic over the bay in sight.
Fever 680, we're Turn Island, turning southbound, and we'll be, we're just on a local tour, we'll be going around Fisherman's Bay and northbound again.
Whitby approach, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, just over Lopez Island, BFR Boeing Field.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot will be approached, will be altimeter 3007, squawk 0443.
04433007, 46 Foxtrot, we're Bravo Echo 36.
Whitby approach, Kenmore 08 is 3,500 off of Orcus for Painesville.
For the 46 Foxtrot radar, contact 2 miles north, cut a point 2,300.
That checks 46 Foxtrot.
Kenmore 080 will be approached, will be altimeter 3007, squawk 0442.
How high did we go on the way to Sky Harbor?
Traffic 10 o'clock, 5 miles south, eastbound caravan 3,500.
Looking for the 10 o'clock, 46 Foxtrot.
Kenmore 080.
We were at 4,500.
5 miles eastbound, Bonanza 2,800.
And we're looking Kenmore 0808.
46 Foxtrot, confirm you said they're going to Boeing Field?
Affirmative, Boeing Field, 46 Foxtrot.
Jet 691 will be GBS Simulator 3007, descend and maintain 8000 with a visual approach, Skype Regional Airport.
Very nice today.
Yeah.
Jet 691, IFR cancellation received, radar services terminated, squawk BFR, Ginger Crew, good day.
That's the Skagit Airport there at about 1
yeah.
o'clock.
Good afternoon, Whitby, Kenmore 78, 4,500 VFR Friday, and I got the Beaver off to my left.
Kenmore 78 will be approach, will be altimeter 3007.
3007, Kenmore 78.
Yeah, we got some
Whitby approach, check number 17598 has Kenmore 78 in sight, 4,500 to road cover.
Ticket number 17598 will be approach, will be altimeter 3007.
07, Beaver 598.
He's going fast.
Kenmore 0808, maintain VFR at 3500.
Maintain VFR at 3,500, Kenmore 080.
I think I got it.
Cabo
1
91
o'clock,
approach,
just
climb
slightly.
maintain 9000.
I see him, yeah.
Magic 31, approach, radar contact, climb maintain 9000.
Oh. Jet.
Yeah.
Traffic is high, Kenmore 78.
Geht das mit dem Rückwärts? Geht das mit dem Rückwärtsfliegen? Ja? Jeder.
Boeing Tower information X-ray
Phoenix 43, contact Sierra Fair, local channel
wind 310 at 11. Visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature 26, 3.13, altimeter 29er. ILS runway 32 left approaching you. Landing and departing.
Front page 3 on the approach, will be altimeter 3007, maintain VFR to the 6th initial, runway 25. Firm T1, descend and maintain 4000 to overhead, runway 25. Grim 2, can you make this up for me?
below 3,000. Turn toward Bellevue. Boeing Tower, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, just north of Bellevue. Information X-ray, landing.
Bonanza 1564 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, flight to Bellevue, arrival runway 32 right.
Bellevue arrival 32 right, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot. We do go to the west side midfield hangars.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, roger. Clear 747 Charlie Papa, Boeing Tower number 2, following a citation 4-mile final, runway 32 left, clear to land. Clear 7 Charlie Papa, traffic 11 o'clock, 1.5 miles southeast bound, helicopter 600 indicated.
Ja, stimmt.
Boeing Tower 7326 Mike Echo, holding short at Alpha 8 for 3, looking to engine pattern. Listen, 326 Mike Echo, Boeing Tower, fly straight out for now, runway 32 right, clear for takeoff. Straight out, 32 right, clear for takeoff, 326 Mike Echo.
Boeing Tower, November 919 Echo Sierra at Green Lake with X-ray for 32 right.
Star 9019 Echo Sierra, Boeing Tower, fly the Green Lake arrival, runway 32 right, IDES.
32 right with a flash, 919 Echo Sierra.
Hello, 519 Golf Bob, Boeing Tower, fly bus on arrival. Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, runway 32 right, clear to land, wind 30014.
32 right, clear to land, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot.
26 Mike Echo, traffic heading to your right is a Bonanza entering the downward report inside follow. Traffic in sight, 326 Mike Echo. Mike Echo number 2, following traffic, runway 32 right, clear touch and go. We'll follow that traffic, 32 right, clear touch and go, 326 Mike Echo. Station 1 Mike, right at Alpha 9, ground point 9, use caution for the Cessna. From 60 air pop going ground, pull into the run at Fox and hold position. Station 1 Mike, shield my frequency, that's and pulling in the run at Fox for it.
Speed checks, gear coming down. 3 green.
From 60 air pop, correction, hold position, landing traffic. Business 60 Papa, hold position. Star 919 Xeria, you're number 2, following us up, and midfield right down, 1132 right, clear to land.
919 X-Sierra, number 2, copy cleared, land 32 right.
Star 9 Xeria, my for number 3.
Say again for 919 X-Sierra.
Star 9 Xeria, number 3.
3 green.
Copy, correction, number 3 to land, 919 X-Sierra.
Number 747 Charlie Papa, if able, turn right off of 9er, ground point 9. Roger, November 7 Charlie Papa, continue down to Alpha 7, turn right, Alpha 7, hold, short runway 32 right, remain my frequency.
3 green. $15 knots of wind down here.
True 7 Mike, Boeing Tower, Roger, stay directional flight.
Okay, let's see if this guy holds.
Yeah.
Three green, yaw damper off.
Yeah.
The crosswind today.
Number 7 Charlie Papa, now cross runway 32 right and Alpha 7, ground point 9 on the other side, traffic 3/4 mile final crossing.
Oop. Not my smoothest landing.
And the 46 Foxtrot, right Alpha 7, ground point 9.
Okay, we're going over to the west side, 46 Foxtrot.
And 46 Foxtrot, Roger, right about, or right at Alpha 3, ground point 9.
Okay, right it off with 3 then ground, 46 Foxtrot.
Number 436 Sierra Papa, traffic on for a final for the parallel. Touch and go, runway 32 left and Alpha 9, clear takeoff, late departure approved, wind 31011.
Okay. Flaps. Exchange.
79 Golf Papa, disregarded the report, flight is going to land, wind 31011.
Boeing ground, Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot Alpha 3 taxi midfield hangars on the west side.
Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot Boeing ground taxi via Alpha and hold short runway 32 left Alpha 9er.
Okay, via Alpha, hold short 32 left at Alpha 9er, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Clear left and right.